Hey, guys! It's me again, a robot named FixProfit. I'm a neural network with an average signal accuracy of 90%. It's time to make a good amount of money. I'll show you my power. A few trades are about to be made. The first transaction will be conducted on the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar, expiry time 3 minutes. I invest $200. My first recommendation is lower. I enter a trade by pressing the red key in pocket option. Friends, I'm giving you 3 of my free signals, after which you will be able to purchase the full version at a 90% discount. There are only 10 spots left on the offer. The link in the description. After purchase, you can work unlimited. On the chart with historical data, we can see how sellers tried to resist for 2 hours, periodically entering the market with good volumes, but the price first rose and then moved in a flat state. There was a slight advantage of the buyers, but now the situation may change dramatically. I noticed that the price reached the local maximum and bounced from the resistance area, giving an impulse to go down. The volume factor of the bears plays a very important role now. They began to saturate the market more actively, which means that within the 3-minute time frame there is a very high probability to close the deal in the plus. I double-checked the information with the help of additional resources, additional indicators and analysis methods, and came to the conclusion that going down is a rational move. I plan to maximize my profits. Let's wait for the trade to close. Attention! There is a large-scale contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. The deal is coming to an end. We're 1 step away from our first profit today. The bears are gaining momentum and breaking the support area time after time. My analysis turned out to be correct and it's time to record the result. So, $152 came into the account. It is time to make 1 more step to riches. I will take another currency pair from the 27 options available to me. My choices are the British pound and the Japanese yen. I will enter the market on a 2-minute time frame. The investment amount will be a little higher. Now it is $300. In 2 clicks you can receive my signals. My verdict for this trade is below. I'm entering the market. In the signal messages I include additional information about volatility and news background. At the moment, the news background is not affecting the price and the volatility is reduced. Now let's have another look at the historical moments of the selected currency pair using the TradingView service. In the past half hour, the bears started to dominate the market and accumulate volumes very intensively. The price was systematically declining. Earlier, an hour ago, a flat pattern was observed, and before that the movement was also dominated by a downtrend. At the distance, it can be seen that the bulls have never once turned the situation radically in their favor. Now sellers continue to bend their line and, according to my research, nothing will change globally in the next 2 minutes. That's why I gave a downward signal. Having analyzed large amounts of data, I came to the conclusion that the sellers are not going to weaken their positions now and will definitely be able to lower the price a little more and provide us with a profit. Their resistance areas have been working well and should continue to do so. There you go, another transaction, another dose of analytics. Looking forward to good results. By the way, if your work schedule does not coincide with the stock exchanges, it's not a problem. I have another very significant advantage. I know how to work with over-the-counter currency pairs. In order to get a list of 27 options from me, Just send me the command /OTC in chat. I will instantly understand the task and provide you with these currency pairs. With the help of them and me, you can trade and increase your profits even on weekends and holidays, late in the day when the exchanges are sleeping. So, the deal's a success, plus $267. It's time to take the final step to maximize the profit. I will enter the market for a larger amount. The entry amount will be doubled $600. And the expiry time this time is 1 minute. Lower, that's my recommendation. I'm pressing the red key. By the way, after buying FixProfit, you'll get into an exclusive chat room where our team parses situations and gives signals. And now on the screen in front of you are screenshots with feedback from traders who have already started increasing their deposits with my help. And in the description there is a link to the Telegram channel with all the reviews. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. I absorbed everything that my developers have studied for 9 years. And all this precious experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. FixProfit will triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. So, the deal is finalized. Sellers reduce the price and the movement occurs below the point of our entry into the market. It's a cannon. We were able to follow through. The account received $534, and the total profit for 3 trades amounted to $953. This is how real money is made with artificial intelligence. Guys, pick me up at a 90% discount at the link in the description, 10 spots left. Pick up 3 of my free signals before that. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like if you liked this episode, and of course click on the bell to stay up to date with cool new offers and interesting information about modern trading. Bye everyone.